Good morning, dear students. Welcome back again with a new session of the previous lesson Life Process in Living Organism Part 2. Last time we have discussed about sexual and asexual reproduction. We also discussed about sexual reproduction in flower. Now this time today we are going to discuss about sexual reproduction in human beings. Sexual reproduction in human being. Men have XY sex chromosome and women have XX sex chromosome. Reproductive system with the specific organs develops in the body of man and woman due to these sex chromosomes only. Human male reproductive system. You can see a diagram of male reproductive system. The scrotal sac where testis is being located. Here the sperms are formed and pass out through the vas differentia and then through penis it enters into the vagina. Male reproductive system of human consists of testis, various ducts and glands. Testis, these are various glands and some ducts are there. Testes are present in the scrotum outside the abdominal cavity. These two testes, they are present outside the abdomen because they cannot bear the temperature of our body. Sperms cannot survive at that temperature and therefore it is outside the abdominal cavity. Testes contain numerous seminiferous tubules. Germinal epithelium present in the tubules divide by meiosis to produce sperms and thus the sperms are produced into the testes. Those sperms are sent forward through various tubules. Sequence of these tubules is a retestis, vas deferens, epididymis, vas deferens, ejaculator duct, and urinogenital duct. As the sperms are pushed forwards from one duct to the next, they become mature and able to fertilize the ovum. Seminal vesicles secrete the secretion in the ejaculatory duct, whereas prostate glands and corpus glands secrete the secretion in urinogenital duct. Semen is formed of sperms and secretion of all these glands. Semen is ejaculated out through penis. All the organs of male reproductive systems are paired except urinogenital duct, penis, scrotum, and prostate gland. Now, female reproductive system. You can see a diagram of the female reproductive system which includes oviduct, uterus, vagina, ovary. Vagina is a place where sperms are being ejaculated. How it works out? All organs of female reproductive system are in abdominal cavity. It includes a pair of ovaries, a pair of oviducts, a single uterus, and a vagina. A pair of Bartholin gland is present. Every month, an ovum is released in the abdominal cavity alternately from each ovary. Free end of the oviduct is like funnel-like. An opening is present at the center of it. Oocyte enters the oviduct through the opening. Cilia are present in the inner surface of the oviduct. These cilia push the oocyte towards uterus, and thus the fertilization take place of sperm and ovary, which we are going to study in the next video. Till then, have a great day.